Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Experian credit score simulator. Now when it comes to accessing the simulator, how you want to do that is to go to the Experian website and log into your account. You could also log in through the mobile app, but what you want to do once you're in your account is to click on the credit score simulator tab, and that's going to help you to access the simulator. Now for using the simulator, there are a couple of things you can do. You can choose a scenario that you'd like to simulate, such as applying for a new credit card. It could be paying off debt or closing an old account. Now just enter the details of the scenario. Once you've chosen the type, you could set details such as credit limits, payment amounts, or interest rates, and then just click run simulator to see how the scenario would affect your credit score. Now for understanding the results, when you have the results, the first you're going to see is a credit score change. So you're going to see how the scenario would change your credit scores. You're also going to see credit score factors, where you can review the factors that affect your credit scores, such as payment history, credit utilization, as well as credit age. And then you could also get personalized recommendation on how to improve your credit scores. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. That's all I got for you guys, and I hope you liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.